बट हेयर फॉल आई थिंक इज यूनिवर्सल. एक 6 साल का लड़का भी आके बोलता है मेरे हेयर गिर रहे हैं, बाल गिर रहे हैं, एंड 60-year-old इज ऑल्सो कंप्लेनिंग ऑफ हेयर फॉल दीज डेज. So let us see what myths can we understand and what we can debunk from here. And of course, you can put on your questions in the chat box and we'll try to take care of your chat questions in detail. So again, a very common myth: do hair oils help hair growth? So we need to understand is हम जब बाल काट सकते हैं और हमें पेन नहीं होता है because हमारे हेयर डेड हो चुके हैं. तो हम the only active part of our hair is the hair root, जहां से हमारा बाल उग रहा है. तो आप एंड पे अगर आप ऑयल डालते हो या अगर स्कैल्प पे आप ऑयल डालते हो तो वो पेनिट्रेट नहीं कर सकता है. ऑयल्स, शैम्पूज आर फॉर एक्सटर्नल हेयर केयर. दे डू नॉट कॉज एनी चेंज इन ग्रोथ. ना कोई शैम्पू या कोई तेल में वो दम नहीं है कि वो आपका हेयर फॉल रोक सके या आपको हेयर ग्रोथ दे सके. पूरे पैंडेमिक में हमने अनियन ऑयल, आर्गन ऑयल, वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल, मिक्सिंग 4 ऑयल्स टुगेदर, इसमें ये डाल के ये पत्ता डाल लो, इसको गर्म कर लो, इतना ये डाल लो, हमने बहुत सारे नुस्खे देखे हैं. एंड सिर्फ अनियन के भाव बढ़े हैं इसी चक्कर में, बट किसी का फर्क नहीं पड़ा है. एंड जिसको भी फर्क पड़ा है, इट इज मोर ऑफ अ साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट कि हाँ मैं लगा रही हूँ तो मुझे इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है. बट इफ यू आस्क देम टू क्वांटिफाई एंड शो रिजल्ट्स, नहीं होता है. तो साइंटिफिकली your hair oils and shampoos do not prevent hair fall. They are for external hair care. आपके बाल रफ है, आपके बाल फ्रिजी है, यस आपके प्रोडक्ट्स आपके वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में मदद करेगा. लेकिन आपका हेयर फॉल रोकने के लिए ये शैम्पूज नहीं बने हैं, ये हेयर ऑयल्स नहीं बने हैं. आप एड्स देखोगे तो आपके एड्स में दिखाएंगे कि एंटी हेयर फॉल शैम्पू, एंड फिर आप उसके बाजू में एक छोटा सा एस्ट्रिक देखेंगे और अगर आप ध्यान से नीचे देखेंगे तो वो लिखा रहेगा फॉर ब्रेकेबल हेयर ओनली. So this is how the marketing gimmicks work. So again, do not choose your shampoos and hair oils in the need कि इससे मेरा बाल गिरना रुक जाएगा. In fact, we recommend कि use them as your soaps less sparingly and ज़्यादा ऑयलिंग करके ही शैम्पू कीजिए ताकि शैम्पू का डैमेज नहीं हो आपके बालों पे. So then, most of us are now complaining of hair fall. We have seen a lot of people coming in COVID-19 with hair fall issues. Some people are having hair fall after they get COVID. Some people are getting hair fall because of the lockdown, that staying at home, they are seeing more hair. I have patients saying कि मेरी बाई चिल्ला रही है कि मेरे घर में बाल ही बाल दिख रहे हैं, मेरे हस्बैंड चिल्ला रहे हैं, मेरी वाइफ चिल्ला रही है, प्लीज कुछ करो. So what is the reasons for your hair fall in this pandemic scenario in the last 2 to 3 years almost? What can be the top reasons for your hair fall? I'm just trying to summarize it to make it a little more comprehensive. Whatever doubts you have, we can always take it in detail. So first, we are all multitasking. So because now we are not going to college, we are not going to work, we are at home. So in fact, people have got more busy. Ask the females, they have to cook, they have to take care of their kids, they have to take care of their office, they are not getting time and the working hours have increased. People are not getting breaks from work. पहले कैसा था, ऑफिस गए, छुट्टी हो गई, काम खत्म हो गया. नाउ बोलते हैं कि 3 बजे भी फोन आ जाता है, 10 बजे भी फोन आ जाता है कि ये काम बाकी है, ये करना है. So people are not getting time, they are multitasking more than ever. So what happens in this is there's a lot of stress. So there is, and stress does not always mean only financial or interpersonal stress. You're not sleeping properly, that is stress. You're not eating properly, that is itself stress. You are not be able to give time for your own self, that is stress. So people are now on the screen कि पूरे दिन हम काम कर रहे हैं तो रात को मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे बैठना है, रात को मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे बैठना है, मुझे यूट्यूब पे बैठना है, एंड देन फिर हमारा नींद पूरा नहीं होता है, सुबह जल्दी उठना पड़ता है. Again, that is a form of stress. So as we discussed, all these forms of stress are there. So how do we take care of it? We cannot take care of these things, but we have to change our mindset towards it. So we have to change our mindset and we have to make the best out of it. And if you look at it, at the glass as half empty, then you will never be happy. So whatever you have, make the best out of it, and whatever you can make better out of it, you can do. I have so many people, including myself, who in this lockdown have taken up fitness more seriously and have changed their lifestyle and got better physically as well as mentally. So I would urge everybody can do it. Only thing is you need to be a little more focused about it. Second is cell memory. Now, this is a very important and very easy, nice concept to know. कि whatever your body is today, it is not कि मैंने दाल चावल खाया तो मेरा आज बॉडी बाल सब ठीक रहेगा. Whatever your body is today is basically the memory of what you have been doing since the last 3-6 months. That is why आप जब भी जिम ज्वाइन करते हो आपको बोला जाता है कि 3-6 महीने रेगुलर रहोगे तो आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखता है. Any diet you follow, any exercise you do, any good lifestyle changes you do, they ask you for 66 days, 99 days to see the changes coming in you, because your body takes time to show those changes. And जो भी आपके problems हुए हैं, तो भले आप पिछले 3 महीने 6 महीने में बीमार पड़े हो. I have so many people who after COVID come 3 months later with hair fall issues. Females who have become pregnant and delivered after 3 months complain of hair fall. People who have done crash dieting, who have lost sudden weight, after 3 months, 6 months come with hair fall issues. I'm sure all of us would have also gone through the same. And this is the reason for it, because your body stores the memory and that is how it is. So whatever you want to do, you start and expect results in 3 to 6 months. डॉक्टर ने बोला है खाना अच्छा खाना है, मैंने आज अच्छा खाना खाया लेकिन कल भी फिर भी मेरे बाल गिर रहे हैं. क्यों? Because it will take time for your body to show changes. So it is never too late to start a healthy lifestyle and you need to eat healthy. We'll cover a little bit of diet, what you can follow. Of course, I'm not the expert, but in the chat session, we'll discuss a little detail about what diet I recommend to my patients for hair fall. Thirdly, experiments. As we discussed, social media is making every single person a doctor, and all of us are giving unsolicited advices to apply a lot of fancy things. We have seen a lot of funny things being applied on the hair. We have got people are applying body lotions to the hair. People are applying a lot of unwanted strong chemicals to the hair. Nimbu laga rahe hai, dahi laga rahe hai, bahut kuch laga rahe hai for in the want of controlling hair fall, and that is what gives you a problem. So stop playing with fire. कभी ना कभी जलोगे और फिर जलने के बाद सॉरी बोल के फायदा नहीं. So be smart enough to choose your products wisely, to choose your rituals wisely, so that the doctor can give you the best out of it. Lastly, and most importantly, lack of exercise. All you need to do is give your body 20 minutes of some physical activity, whether you are a working woman, whether you are a homemaker, whether you are a professor, whether you are a doctor, whether you are a student. Routine के अलावा 20 minutes body हिलाइए. And I was just reading recently the other day कि even if you cannot do 20 minutes at a stretch, all you need to do is start with 5 minutes. 5 minutes every day, 6 days a week, at the end of 3 months is much better than somebody doing a 1-hour workout in the gym for once or twice a week and not doing anything for the rest of the week. So लोगों को लगता है कि we will do it perfectly. हम जिम जाके प्रॉपर रूटीन करेंगे, नहीं तो हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. अभी मैं क्या करूं डॉक्टर, जिम बंद हो गया तो मेरा वर्कआउट रुक गया. आप अगर घर में वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप जिम जाके कितना करोगे? So रूटीन के अलावा give your body some 20 minutes of physical activity, be it anything, be it yoga, dancing, zumba, running, walking, सूर्य नमस्कार, उठक बैठक, any form of physical activity, but 20 minutes रूटीन के अलावा अपने बॉडी को हिलाना है, and that will give you definitely much more results in terms of absorbing what you eat better, making the nutrients reach the hair better and give you better results. So as I always say, stop wishing and start doing. And lastly, a lot of people we see are complaining of sudden hair fall in sudden seasons. This is a little controversial. Not everybody approves of this, but we have seen that some people have a little more hair fall when बारिश चालू हो जाती है. कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा hair fall ये season में हो रहा है जब ठंडी चालू हो जाती है. If people are animal lovers, you will know that animals also have shedding phases. When you scientifically they shed their hair. Similarly, we are evolved mammals. So similarly, we also have the shedding phases. Sorry. Just that because we are not having our सांप की तरह हमारे पूरा skin एक साथ में नहीं झड़ता है, so we are shedding in phases. So that is why some seasons give you more hair fall than the other. The point here is it is normal. Do not try to treat it unnecessarily. Eat well, exercise well, and this phase will pass. we unnecessarily don't want to treat when not required. So we see people changing their shampoos, changing their routines and products just because they feel कि अभी ये मेरा शैम्पू मुझे सूट नहीं कर रहा है, because अभी ये बाल गिरना चालू हो गया है. थोड़ा सीजन पे ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा खाना पीना अच्छा रखो, हो जाएगा. So take care of your hair is what I would strongly recommend, and experiment wisely. If you have a stronger root, if you have a stronger base, and if occasional experiments, fair enough. But if you are having a weak root and मैं वो झाड़ में, मेरा झाड़ की जड़ें मजबूत नहीं है और मैं वो झाड़ में खेल रहा हूँ, तो मेरा झाड़ टूट के गिरेगा. तो choose your vices carefully. Some basic myths that I want to burst. I'm almost on the end of my topic, so I just wanted to give some last few take-home messages. Is there is a lot of myth in people कि ये product महंगा है तो ये product अच्छा होगा. It is not necessarily true. So a lot of social media are getting into your head because of these reasons कि हम ज़्यादा strong product, महंगा product दे रहे हैं तो ये अच्छा ही होगा, हाँ मुझे effect आएगा इससे. This is not true. What you need to see is whether that product is meant for you or no, and अगर आपके लिए वो काम करेगा कि नहीं. Second is, as we always discussed in detail, never go to your pharmacy directly for medicines, because things are not as regulated in India as it is abroad. So Indian pharmacies are almost considering themselves to be doctors, and they self-medicate, and we have 60% of our patients are already using some products or the other, and they get side effects of it. Then it becomes difficult to manage. So instead of wasting thinking कि अरे डॉक्टर के पास जाके अभी आधा घंटा कौन वेस्ट करेगा, मेरा फार्मेसी का पूछ लूंगा, वो बता देगा. वो आधा घंटा आपको लॉन्ग टर्म में बहुत फायदा देगा अगर आप डॉक्टर को समझ के लोगे. एंड जाइए, डॉक्टर का दिमाग खाइए, डॉक्टर को पूछिए कि मुझे क्या हुआ है, क्या कर सकते हैं, what is the natural way I can take care of it, what things I can do naturally to make it better, and he will guide you in the right way.